guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Tokyo Lamington. So I was looking up something last night and this popped up, so I thought I'll check it out because everything looks so good. You guys saw all the different Lamington flavors that they have. Everything looks so yummy. I ended up getting 5 Lamingtons. So I have 3 here that I'm gonna have right now, and then I also got like a little takeaway box. So how cute is the packaging for this? In here there are 3 little boxes. I also got an onigiri, and look, they drew a little onigiri guy, which is so cute. I'm gonna have this for my lunch later. If you guys don't know what Lamingtons are, it's essentially like a sponge and it's dipped in chocolate and it's covered with coconut, and apparently it was created accidentally. It was created by this maid or servant that worked for this guy called Lord Lamington, and he just accidentally dropped some cake in chocolate, I guess, and so the guy, Lamington guy, ate it and was like, this is really good, so he called it Lamington after his name. So that's pretty cool. I hope this story is accurate. I'm pretty sure someone had told me about it, and then I read about it this morning and I was like, oh, I guess it is true. But anyway guys, I'm gonna try some of these Lamingtons now. I'm so excited. So let me run through the flavors. I have the fairy bread one here because I had to get it. Look at how cute it looks. So this is also like a very like Australian kind of flavor, and there's like lots of hundreds and thousands on the Lamington. It just looks so pretty. This is what it looks like on the inside with the fairy bread one. Let's try it. Hopefully I don't get hundreds and thousands all over my face. This is really good. The sponge on the inside is like really nice and fluffy, and of course you get the hundreds and thousands on the outside, so it gives a lot of texture, and it's not overly sweet either. It's really yummy. Next up is the cream caramel one. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're just little brown jellies in the center of the Lamington, and they're caramel jellies maybe. It tastes really good. Last but not least, we have the yuzu meringue one. You can see on the inside there is cream and also some yuzu curd. They're all so good. Let me quickly show you guys my onigiri. Ta-da! So I got a mentaiko cream cheese onigiri. I think I'm gonna have a little bite. Anyway, I'm gonna keep eating my Lamingtons because, as you guys can see, I have quite a few to go through, and I will see you in a little bit. Good morning guys. So I'm just about to grab a coffee at Oko Cafe. They do really yummy cold brew. I'm gonna get an iced latte of oat milk today, and it's pretty early, and I'm going to the Melbourne card fair after this, and I don't really know why I'm going there, but I thought I'll bring you guys along just in case some of you guys are interested. But for now, let's get some coffee. So I'm a bit too early for this card thing because it opens at 9 o'clock, and I'm just walking around the area. So it's in this little shed, wait, over there. But look at that. How cute is this Michelin man? Okay, there's like graffiti on him. That's why he looks like that. But then there's also this other guy. Hopefully you guys can see the background. Oh my god, this is like not a very good angle. But I hope you guys can see. This wall is so cute. I took a quick little photo there. While I'm waiting to go to the card fair, the card show, I thought I'll quickly show you guys my outfit. This shirt jacket thing is from Story MFG. I just got it recently. I think it's pretty cute. So I got this in a size small, and you guys can see it's kind of oversized on me. My t-shirt is a very old t-shirt from Ambush. I wear the same pants, I think, in every video. I look like I only have the one Uniqlo pants, but this is the one Uniqlo pants I wear all the time. Uniqlo needs to make them again because you guys ask me for a link all the time, and this pants is at least 5 years old. And then my shoes, I'm wearing the Nike Sacai Vapor Waffle and my Kaws Human Made bag. So it's another early morning for me, but I am at Hugo's Deli. Wait, can you guys see Hugo's Deli? Because they collaborated with Up Their Store and they've come up with a breakfast muffin just for November, for Movember. So you guys can see like the little detail that maybe you can't see. The weather's so bad today, but I'm here, so let's have some food. So in this breakfast muffin, there is andouille butter, a pork and fennel sausage, fried egg, American cheese, sashimi seasoning, which is a Japanese spice mix, and contains sausage sauce, and it is so yummy, guys. Highly recommend that you guys go check it out. Okay guys, I got my breakfast muffin. Look at how good this looks. Also, I really like how they have like the co-branded like greaseproof paper. Look at it. So there's Movember, the Up There logo, as well as Hugo's. Like this little running sandwich is so cute. But okay, anyway, let's try it. Oh my god, that's so good. So I'm here at QQQ Street Kitchen because I really want to try their onigiris. I'm too early. They open at 11 o'clock. They do little bento boxes and also Okinawa taco rice bowls. This is the onigiri menu. So I only ended up getting 3 onigiri. This one here is mentaiko, which is like a spicy caviar. This is salmon, and then at the end here it is the umeboshi one, which is a sour plum. So next up is Loon Croissant. I went to the Fitzroy store and you guys know that I love the croissants there. I wanted to try this new flavor that they got, which is a pepperoni pizza one, and it was really yummy. Would recommend it. And then I also ended up getting the Maca Saka, which is a macadamia croissant with a bit of caramel. The turtle one has like chocolate and caramel. It's really indulgent but also really yummy. Hey guys, so I'm at a restaurant called Mongkok Tea House, and it's sort of like a Hong Kong fusion restaurant. I actually read a few articles about it and now I can't think about it. I'll write it in the description bar below, but it sounds like such a cool place. They do really yummy cocktails. I just had a sip of mine, so I got Van Gogh's Sweet Dream. And in here there is gin, Saint Germain, lemon, passion fruit syrup, high key, that was why I chose it because it's passion fruit, absinthe, and also egg white, and it is delicious. And then there was also like a smoke gun situation you guys saw, the smoke thing happening. The other cocktail that I got is called Broad Mug, and there's barrel aged Vince gin, pink grapefruit, lemon, yuzu, cranberry, and egg white as well, and it is also very yummy, so I recommend 2 of those ones. So the inspiration for this restaurant is sort of like a Hong Kong cha chan teng. I don't think I'm saying that properly, but hopefully you guys know what I mean. And yeah, the interior is really beautiful. They have some really like old school posters of old Hong Kong actors and musicians, but we're here for the food, so I'll show you guys that shortly. Dinner last night at Mongkok Tea House was delicious. So the place was at Camberwell, and I don't typically go there, but if you guys are around the area, I would highly recommend that place. The cocktail was so yummy. But anyway, I thought I'll sit down to do a quick little unboxing. So this parcel has been sitting in my apartment for quite a few weeks now, and it actually took a long time to get here as well. So this is something I picked up from the Kaws one site, and tell me why I paid like $73 for shipping, and it took a really long time. Well, the shipping was fast. I think it was just the like processing and the packing of that took really long. But anyway, this was one of my like panic buying at 3 a.m. in the morning. So we are here now, so I thought I'll open it together for you guys. I only picked up 2 t-shirts from this collab. I'll open them up to show you guys, but I thought this was super cute. So this one is the Kaws blueberry one, and then on the back you can see the little blueberry character. I really wanted to buy the actual cereal. I think they had like limited edition packaging, but they wouldn't ship it here to Australia. So I only got a few t-shirts. I couldn't decide what size to get, so I think I got a medium and a large, because if it's too big, it's fine. I don't mind my clothes being oversized. So this one here is the Frankenberry, and then on the back it just looks like that. I just really liked how it had like the Kaws like crosses here, as well as the Frankenberry like branding. I think that's like cute for everyday wear, so I cannot wait to wear this. This is a medium. It looks like a pretty like standard t-shirt kind of a cut, so I think medium would have been fine, but it's okay. I got large as well. Let me see. Sometimes when I buy large t-shirts, it just runs. Yeah, it looks really long. So I may get it altered, because if I buy t-shirts that are too big, they like look oversized here, but it's weird when it's too long. So usually I just go to an alteration place and just like get it cut. And then I got the posters as well, which comes in this little tube. So it's a set of 4, and it should be all 4 of the characters. Let me see if I can get it out so I can show you guys. So my plan was to get these framed and then have it somewhere up in my apartment. They're actually quite large. Let me show you guys. Ta-da! Sorry, this is not a very good unboxing. So there's the Frankenberry one. This is the blueberry guy. I can't remember what this guy is called. Like Coco, Dracula. Oh my god, I should have looked it up before I started filming. And then the last one is like that wolf looking guy. This one here. I don't know his name either. I don't know the names of the last 2, but I think it is super cute if I get them filmed. No, I was gonna say framed. So I might do that later today, because there's like a frame shop like close to my place, but it is Saturday today, so I'm not sure if they're open. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know there was a lot of food involved, but everything was really yummy. Highly recommend you guys go check out the Hugo's Up There breakfast muffin, because they're only doing it for November, so it's gonna be like breakfast every day this month only. My next video will be an unboxing video, and I'll give you guys a little hint. There may be some Jordan 1s in there, and I also picked up quite a few things from Farfetch, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. Actually, this is from Farfetch as well, and I got way too excited and just like opened it. I couldn't save it for the unboxing, guys. I'm so sorry, but you guys saw earlier, this is like a shirt jacket from Story MFG. I love it so much. Everything is like hand crocheted, and the brand uses like organic materials and dyes, and they're like very sustainable, so I think that's really cool. I also got this like ambush ring, which I've been wearing the last few days, and I don't know where I put it, and I'm very sad right now because I spent all morning looking for it and I can't find it. So hopefully I'm able to find it so I can show you guys, because it's very cute, and that was part of my Farfetch haul as well. So hopefully it's just like lost somewhere in this apartment or somewhere, okay? Hopefully it just kind of magically shows up. And one more thing, I don't know whether you guys noticed, look at my Kaws little human-made duck. I made him a little Christmas hat. I don't know whether it's too early. Well, we are in like mid-November at the moment, but I got really excited about Christmas, so I made him a little Christmas hat. Clearly I have too much time. Why am I making a hat for this duck? We don't know. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!